A major part of my training as a builder came from my time in the Navy Seabeas. I grew up listening to my father, grandfather tell stories about their time in the Seabeas, and I knew when I got old enough, I definitely wanted to enlist. I spent 5 years in the Seabeas, but today I'm heading back to Gulfport, Mississippi to see how the Navy is training the next generation of tradespeople. Good morning, ma'am.
Hey, good morning, Nathan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Master Chief, good to see you again.
Good to see you again, Nathan.
Sir, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Well, it's good to be back. I called Gulfport home from 2009 to 2014, and I got the opportunity to deploy 3 times. Afghanistan, Djibouti, Africa, and Timor-Leste, and each time I came back to Gulfport and I called it home. I had a great time, but I need to know, has anything changed with the Seabeas?
Absolutely not. Seabeas are still globally deployed all over the world, to some of the same places that you just mentioned. And our forces are really the construction arm for the Navy. We're able to do horizontal construction, vertical construction, specialized construction, even some underwater construction. Anywhere that the nation needs us to do it, whether that's humanitarian relief, disaster relief, or doing some expeditionary construction to support the maneuver of our forces.
It's funny, you talk about the training and how perfect it is. That actually followed along with me in life. After leaving the Seabeas, I was really well prepared for the trades, right? Oh, wow. Right back into it, doing carpentry with my father back home. But a lot of my friends that were Seabeas got out as well and all entered the trades. Yes. So I think it's paying dividends later for the civilian life.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So how are the sailors doing today?
Oh, sailors are doing great. 2 parts of the schoolhouse. Sailor finishes boot camp. They come to NCTC Gulfport to learn their initial construction skill sets. Here we focus on builder and steelworker. And then also later in their career, they'll come back to really hit a journeyman level skill training in their craft.
Oh, very nice. And so CB, we all know it, but what does the CB stand for?
CB initially stood for Construction Battalion. But we've been in the Navy. I did a play on words. C, as in the sea.
Yep.
And we put the B on it, so we're Seabeas.
Creating that iconic logo?
Yes.
Yes. And another important thing, the discipline. How's the discipline here at the school?
The CB Chiefs, we're responsible for good order and discipline, and we're making sure it's maintained at every level.
I'm glad to hear it, but I also want to see it. Do you have anyone that could show me around?
I do. Let me introduce you to Senior Chief Bryant. He can show you around the campus.
Nice to meet you, Senior Chief.
Nice to meet you, Nathan.
Head out, go take a look?
Absolutely.
All right, thank you everyone for your time.
Thank you.
All right, Nathan, welcome back to A School.
It's good to be back.
So as Commander John Cock was talking about before, the students will come here, and really what we're trying to focus on is that foundational level knowledge, starting at the basics of math, moving into some terms and definitions, going over concrete and masonry, floors, walls, and stairs, and moving on to next phases where students can actually apply those skills they learned in the classroom.
So it's really operating like a modern day trade school. The kids are getting the exposure in the classroom and then in the lab?
It is, all the way through.
What kind of skill set are you seeing sailors show up with these days?
For the most part, 0.
Uh-oh.
They come in with none, and really that's where we have our training geared towards. For students who have no background knowledge in the trades, we start them at the bottom and bring them all the way up.
Awesome. Can we check out our classroom?
Absolutely, let's go.
All right.
Good afternoon, Mr. Kumba.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, how's it going? Mr. Kumba, this is Nathan.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Mr. Kumba's our lead instructor, and B1 Henry's our instructor supervisor.
Nice to meet you guys. What are you guys learning today?
Today they're in the classroom setting learning some concrete.
All right, concrete.
Yes, sir.
Nice. What do you guys like more, the time in the classroom or the time in the lab?
Lab, sir.
Okay, very good, I agree.
This class is pretty lucky because they get to actually place some permanent concrete here at the schoolhouse. It's going to be here for years to come.
Oh, awesome.
So after they're done with that, we'll move on to a masonry lab, and they'll go out and place some block, and then get into some light framing.
That sounds good. Can I take a look at the lab?
Yes, sir. Let's go.
All right. Nice to meet you guys.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hoorah! Hoorah! All right, Nathan, welcome back to the B phase lab. When we were in the classroom, we talked about forming and reinforcing. You can see a mock-up here that the students can come in, take a look at it, and understand what it's supposed to look like when it's fully constructed.
Looking good. And this group's well on their way over here, huh?
Oh, yes, sir. So once they complete A phase and move over here to our B phase labs, where the foundations they just learned how to construct are already here placed for them. So they'll move in, they'll learn out how to lay building lines out, as well as start framing out a floor. So from there, they'll move on to their walls. 4 students per house, there'll be 2 windows and 2 doors.
And where do they go from here?
From there, they'll do a little bit of shingle work, some rolled asphalt, and they'll move on to the interior phase.
That sounds like the best part.
Yes, sir.
So how many students are going through the school every year?
We push through about 4,000 students a year of Army, Navy, and Air Force at the entry and advanced level.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you know there's a huge hole in the skilled trades. There's a lot of kids that are needed, and there's a lot of old people getting out, and they need that young force to come in. And I know that that you're setting these kids up not only for the success in the military, but also success later on if they choose to join the trades.
Absolutely.
And I know we could use them. So
Yeah.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you very
Good
much.
Good to meet you, and good to be back.
Glad to have you back.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Hey,
What is this?
Hey.
Oh.
So we want to, we've served together.
Oh yes, absolutely, Chief
And
Master Chief.
we just wanted to highlight some things.
Oh yeah.
Cruise book from '74.
Oh yeah.
And who is this fella right here?
Oh geez, that looks like a BU3 Gilbert right there. Oh, that's awesome.
So man, it was a pleasure serving with you.
It's a pleasure to see.
And thank you for coming back and highlighting what we do in the Seabeas.
Thank you, Master Chief. Good to see you again.
You too, brother.
Take care.
Take
Bye,
care.
guys.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.